Oh, what the? Can you snooze? You won't shut up. Oh shit. Well guys, the scene just got ruined, but I was just making a scene where I was sleeping and then this went off and then I got mad at it, poured salt water on it. So basically I just poured some salt water on it and it's still working now. So I'm just gonna set the camera up and let's continue doing the salt water test. Hey, stay. Oh, bitch. Okay guys. Alright. So let's let the saltwater test begin. Or the salt water and smash. Will it quit beeping? Finally, it quit beeping. Maybe I can get some rest. Try to fall back asleep. Oh, I'm not gonna fall back asleep. Why? What time is it? It's not. Why is it? The time's not correct. It's. Why is it's not? Why is it cycling through? Get the time right. Get the time right. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Get it right. I'll wash it off. Why is it going insane, bro? Is it? I didn't know it was 9:35. I thought it was just 8 or something. I don't remember. You need to get it right. Wash it off. I didn't know it was 9:35 now. Snooze. It's not working. Will you work? Doesn't want to work. Is it working? No, it just says that. Oh. This alarm clock's just too stubborn. This alarm clock's just too stubborn and wants to play mix up. Yeah, let's mix out those numbers a little bit. It's 1P29. Is it? Just shut down. Why did it shut down? Now it wants to play shutdown. Now it just wants to play shutdown. Maybe you need to turn on. This thing's just too stubborn and wants to play shutdown. This thing just blew the breaker. Why is it so stubborn? Wants to play breaker blow. Man, this thing's just too stubborn and likes to play mix-up and breaker pop. Breaker trip. Oh yeah, I'll show you this thing's real tripping. This thing's really gonna be tripping. Wanna work now? inside of it. I need to diagnose it. What is wrong with here? What is going on with it? I need to diagnose the issues. Okay. So we got some malfunctioning. Looks like. Why is it having problems? It's gotta be so cheap. The screen's cracked. Diagnose that screen. This thing's way too stubborn. This thing's way too stubborn and way too difficult. Wanna work now? Let's go see if it wants to work now. Being sparky. I want it plugged in. Being all sparky. Sparking now? No. Quit sparking. Okay. This thing's just being too stubborn. It wants to play Spark. Now it's just completely dead. Well, this thing's always wanted to be stubborn and play games with me. I got a little game. It's called Smashy Hammer. Keep playing the game. Keep playing the game. Won't be so stubborn now. You want to keep playing the game? Got your capacitors? I mean, you were laughing, weren't you? But you wanted to be so stubborn this morning and wake me up, and that's Saturday. Well, you can just be quiet, you stupid old fuck. You want to hit the camera? Speakers, because I want to listen to some tunes. Want to listen to some tunes? Want to hit the camera? Want to listen to some tunes too? Well, are we both compatible? Get back here. Wasn't done listening to music yet. Got to listen to some tunes, bro. Got the battery compartment.